Okay, now I'm live. I forgot to hit the go live button. How embarrassing. Alright. Basically, all I did is I set up the CS pack. Yeah, there's nothing even in here yet. I do need a base for my code, so let me actually steal from my past self here. Let me go to the Kirby pack. This pack I thought was somewhat well coded, but we can do better than the past self. But then that's for Wii, so let me look at... Where's the Pikmin? I guess there's no Pikmin one in here. I guess I can also take this, yeah. So I'm just going to copy paste a bit because there's a bit of redundancy. Like, there's a few things that I want to take from this pack and reincorporate it into the new one. This is going to be for BFBB, or BFB though, so BFBB, BFBB, and then I think there's one more instance of Pikmin 2. Yeah, BFBB, BFBB. We don't really care about the naming, do we? Then let's just change this to the default, make it always ready. Gecko Flash, yeah, we want that. The try effect, let's keep that. And then we want to start timed, yeah, because a lot of this stuff is boilerplate. We're going to be having a lot of effects that are try effects, which means they just happen once, and we're going to be having a lot of effects that are timed effects. And, you know, copy pasting a lot of code is not a good thing, but it's also like, well, it's kind of the situation we're in, because a lot of this is just the same. Which makes sense, because, like, what's the difference between a timed effect and doing a one-shot effect? Even if the actual thing that you're changing is different, it still has to have the same wrapper, the wraparound code. So let's also get rid of a lot of these stop effects. Yeah. And then, of course, none of this code matters because this is for an entirely different game. Get rid of you. No, I did not want to get rid of that. I wanted to get rid of this inner wrapper part. Okay. And... okay. So now it kind of seems like, wow, all you're doing is copy-pasting. That seems lazy. But it's really all the same on the wrapper side, on the CS pack. The only thing that you want to do is you want to make a try effect or a start timed effect. There's nothing else to it. And then all this connector.read, connector.write stuff you see, that's where you're really doing the logic behind everything. And especially, you know, with all these pieces, I can just get rid of all this, right? No. But, well, I can get rid of this, but I shouldn't get rid of all of this. Okay, so, yeah. Now we've got this thing set up. I've stripped it of stuff that doesn't matter. Let's just put OHKO here for now. We'll make an OHKO effect first. We got the price, the quantity here. This is all looking good to me. And if we want to make an OHKO effect, then I'll just change this to OHKO. Actually, OHKO needs to be timed, so let's do this. Actually, yeah, OHKO. I don't think we're going to have a HP setting for this game. That's a little lame, in my opinion. OHKO is just a cooler version of setting the player's health because they get it back eventually, and, you know, it's not instant death. that right? No, that's not right, is it? No, that's not right formatting. Okay, I'll just fix that in a second. Request func bool action. Yeah, the return true should be in here. There we go. So what we're gonna do here is let's really just think about what we want to get doing. So there's plenty of effects that we could make for this game. The game that we're doing is Battle for Bikini Bottom, by the way. We haven't even touched it yet. But it's ready in Dolphin here. We're gonna implement OHKO first. I say a lot. I should probably not. And I'm still deciding whether we're gonna use this general code system to inject some code into the game. Because crowd control doesn't entirely support actually editing the game's code. Like it supports it, but they haven't really made it the simplest to inject code into GameCube games yet. So we're gonna have to do a little bit of a workaround to get the code in the game that I'll show off later. For now though, let's focus on something that doesn't actually require doing that. And I'd also like to download the latest oh, there was 2 views at one point. That's pretty cool. But now it's all over anyways. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna go to the SDK for crowd control and we're gonna download it. Oh, taking a while there, aren't you? How lame. Can't really do anything until I get the new latest SDK, can I? Then I guess we could boot up the game though. That's the way we could multitask. Say hello to SpongeBob. Yo, it's SpongeBob, me boy. Let's see. I think this is a real 100% save file, right? Yeah, it is. I have some other ones that aren't real. They're like hacked, but this one seems to be real, yeah. So this is a good place for us to test whatever effect we come up with. And here's how it is a WhiteBox. There's a symbol map. I can see whatever it is that I want to see. So I think I can get player health. Z player underscore give health. Yeah. So I can immediately see the function that actually gets the player health. Well, sorry, gives the player health. I can tell by analysis here that this is the player object, and that the player starts at 558, and that 16B0 must be the player's health. Now I think the question is, actually no, there isn't really a question. I think that's pretty much all I need to know to actually solve this, which is pretty cool. Unless, oh wait, add. No, wait, 1738 is probably the max health. Yeah, that makes sense. Because... Actually, oh, now I don't know if 16B0 is the health or if it's the max health. I guess I do have to check. Well, then that's fine, because I can just go into memory and be like 803C0558, and the offset was 16B0, if I recall. And switch to unsigned 32. It says I have 6 health there, right? Does that check out? Yeah. So if I change this to unsigned 32, if I set this to 1... Okay, that's probably just the real health. And then 1730 is max health, right? Or wait. Was it 1630? What was it here? It was 1738. Ah, my mistake. So let's go back there. And this actually, what happens if I make the max health ridiculously large? Will the game crash? Oh, it doesn't even support the UI for it, which makes sense, all things considered. But definitely would support the UI for this, right? Yeah, okay. That's actually kind of crazy. Because that's normally not possible in the base game. What happens if I set it to 0? Does he just immediately die? Oh, wait. Interesting. Okay. I guess you can't just instantly die in this game, which is fine. Let's set that back to what it was. And then let's go to 16B0. Actually, let's see what happens if I set this to 0. Do you die instantly? Oh, you actually do die instantly in this game. Most games actually don't support instant death from changing the health. So that's a little bit of an interesting behavior. Most games wait, if you're at 0 health, until you do something to die. But anyways, I guess we can make a class. I guess I can call it the player. Yeah, I think player is fine because this isn't really a context where I can mean anything else. Private unit base equals, oh. I guess in C# base is a keyword, to be honest, I didn't know that. I'm not really a C# guy, but crowd control demands it, so I'm gonna use it. Health equals base edge. Can you not do that? You probably can't do that. What if I set it to a const unit? Does that make it better? Base yes, that does make it better actually. Okay, good. Because I didn't want to have to keep changing that every time. So 16B0, okay, we're doing good. Shouldn't have clicked on that. And now I just make the timed effect for OHKO duration. Oh, I need to set duration here. Duration equals 10. I don't want that. No, thank you. And now if I go to the start timed effect, I can do return connector dot write 32 player dot no thank you, player dot, that's I thought I set it to static class. I should be able to I've used this in another, yeah, like I said, I'm not a C# guy. Let me look at this. I do forget some of these things. Okay, private static class. Okay, that's literally what I did. So why isn't that working? Oh, because I set it to private. I'm silly. Okay, just yes, of course. If the attributes are private, how can I, you know, get them? Small mistake. Player.health. So connector.write 32 1. But the problem is I don't just want to see, after OHKO is done, I don't just want to set the health to max. I kind of want it to be a bit more interesting than that. So I think what I'll do is I'll have like could I have, yeah, I guess I could. I could have public uint old health here. Then I'll just set old health to be, so I gotta do connector.read32 player.oldHealth. Yeah, the output would be player.old. Okay. I'm pretty sure that worked. Or I'm pretty sure that should work. Let me open the SDK here. Extract to... Yo, stop lagging. Yeah, sure. Alright, let's go. Is anybody watching? Nobody's watching. I suppose that's fine, though. Do I have a 1 hour limit to my streaming? I thought that was I thought I had as much time to stream as I wanted. What the heck? Do I have to... Because I have done more than hour-long streams before. I wonder why that's... Okay. Here we go. So, Windows defended you. Who cares? This is clearly not a virus. Or if it is, well, I work for the people making the virus. So either way, I don't feel that scared. CC BFB. It'll just say what the errors are. Metadata does not exist in the namespace. System.runtime.remoting. Are you missing an assembly reference? Method must have a return type. The name send gecko to. Okay, that makes sense. Dolphin connector could not be found. Are you missing using a directive or assembly? Reference to non-static field, method, or property. What do you mean non-static? Oh, non-static. Yeah, okay. Well. Okay, I know why this isn't working. It's because I got rid of that. Yeah. The type. Well, let me fill those in. Yeah, I forgot that if I'm gonna have that system, I'm gonna need private. Well, I have it here. Why am I? General code. Send gecko to. No need to rewrite all that. I got it all set up a long time ago. 0, 0. Could be better. Better of a system. Yeah, special connectors does not exist in the namespace. Well, we already know that the BFBB.player.oldhealth is a fine issue. Dolphin connector. Did they change it? Oh, this needs to not be OHKO, but what did they change? Because, I only, yeah, so let's see what that error was again. Dolphin connector. The typer namespace metadata does not exist. The typer namespace special connectors does not exist, and the method must have a return type. Okay, so they definitely changed something. I guess I have to look at the actual crowd control. Oh, I'm watching. What is this? Oh, so we're making a crowd control pack for SpongeBob Battle for Bikini Bottom, the GameCube version. The issue is that I can't seem to load my own pack into the SDK. Whatever this is, can you do it for the movie game? Yeah, you can do it for the movie game. But right now I'm doing it for BFBB. But I guess I have to look at the actual GitHub for crowd control, because I don't know what it's complaining about right now. I guess I'll, let me see. So the issue is the namespace metadata. What do you mean metadata? So the typer namespace metadata, okay. Obviously it's that. I don't know why I needed to look at the another pack for that. That should have been obvious, but I think this. Now, okay, it had nothing. Okay, the typer namespace dolphin connector could not be found. Okay, so that is an issue that I can't just fix by commenting out this stuff at the top, because I don't know what that's talking about, because dolphin connector has clearly been a thing, because if it wasn't a thing, well, how have I been able to make GC games available in the past? So, dolphin connector. What could they have possibly changed that to? Besides, okay, wait. Using dolphin connector type equals crowdcontrol.com and .connect. No, where's the dolphin connector? Okay. Well. Connector type equals, okay. Okay, that fixed it. I guess that's just some general issue. No, that didn't fix it. Why did I think that fixed it? No, the error's down here. Okay, what do you mean the typer namespace dolphin connector could not be found? I literally have used this before. Yeah, I'm using the same header as the crowd control pack I made before. Games.special connectors. Okay. Well, that's not good. What have they changed about setting up the dolphin crowd control SDK the interactive way? SDK setup. Can check blah blah blah. Connector type namespace system. Okay. Literally, what is the issue? I cannot think of it. Is anybody still watching? Oh, 2 people are watching now. Okay. Why is there an issue? Okay, cause this issue wasn't happening before. Unless, is this a dolphin connector could not be found? Okay, well then I'll just get rid of that. I'll just get rid of this for now, but how is that, that's not good. That shouldn't be an issue. I'll have to figure that out before the end of this. And we're missing... Yeah, method must have a return type. Here. Public BFBB. Wow, okay. Okay, well, who cares about cannot declare instant members in a static class, yeah. Okay, what if I did this? Oh yeah, what if I did that, huh? Yeah, that's what I thought. Out keyword. Out. And error must have return type. Okay. Let's see here. How can it not have a return type unless it just needs the init that badly? Okay. Is it? Oh wait, did I put an extra B here? I did. Okay. That's why that issue happened. I don't know how I typed an extra B. And, oh. Okay, let's see here. the pack namespace should be method is ready always returns 2. Set games, get game state is methane stop effect. Gecko flash call system without verifying return value. These are all warnings that we can fix later. For now, let's just see if that one effect I wrote worked. Oh, well, multiple processes found. Multiple processes found. That's only because I have this on. This needs to be turned off. Dolphin memory increase. Have you tried appearing to offline? I don't know what that means. Appearing to offline. Okay, continue without saving. Also, it's really funny to me. I'm actually looking at the I'm looking at the Sunshine pack, and this pack does not follow good standards. Do not use it as an example for anything. That's funny. Yeah, I wrote that pack a really long. I think that was my first pack, so it makes sense that they would say that. Have you tried to just vibing to the music? Connect. Multiple processes found. What are these multiple processes that you're talking about? My good software. If I close Dolphin, will it say 0 processes found? Oh, wow. That can't be good. So, alright. If you're gonna break, that's not very good. My debugger friend. I guess finding multiple processes doesn't mean it's not gonna work. Well, it's probably not gonna work. Yeah, clearly didn't work. Do I somehow accidentally have multiple Dolphin processes open? Oh, I do. What? Why do I have multiple Dolphin processes open in the background? That's weird. Alright, now it should connect. Alright, there we go. And set quantity. Oh, I made it a quantity effect for some reason. And now we're stuck at 1 HP. Oh no. We have 1 HP, we're doomed. And then timed effect end. Oh, but I forgot to actually make it so the timed effect resolves. And I also don't want it to be a quantity effect. Thank you. So get rid of that. And I did make that original gecko code. Is the stream gonna end once an hour passes? Is that what this means? I thought you could stream for as long as you want. I don't know what that's about, but okay. If it ends at an hour, I guess I could always just stream more, but I don't know why they're giving me that limit. Okay. Let's just try and go quick then. Let's get it done before an hour is done. Okay, let's commit to Git. Let's show our progress. Git add dot git commit dash m making ohko after setting up the .cs file. Okay. It's showing my Visual Studio workspace. I don't know if I want that. Let me look at my GitHub. And oh, of course I didn't push. Good thing I looked at that. Git push, and there we are. Now I don't really need to worry about branching. Okay, so I don't want my VS. Yeah, I don't want my VS file here. So let me make a git ignore. Echo. I think you just have to do make git ignore folder. Make git ignore folder. dir underscore to ignore. Okay, yeah, it's very simple. Let me just put dot vs slash here dot git ignore. Okay, and now I don't want, now the vs shouldn't show up. Well, actually, let me look at that file first. Dot, okay. That's what I thought might happen. Okay, and now according to this, my VS file shouldn't show up anymore. So git add dot git commit shem git push. Oh no. No, that only made it worse. What? Yeah, dot git ignore in your prof. How, what? But I added the dot git ignore file. I thought the git ignore file was not supposed to show up. Oh no. Oh. Okay. I can't believe that. Alright. Okay, let's just move on from that then. How did... I've done this before. Why is the git... Why did the git ignore file get... Did I... There's no way I spelled it wrong. How... Okay. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Did it, What exactly is it that happened? How do I make... No, I want an empty file. I don't want any of that. Okay, dot git ignore. It's not a text document. It's not a text document. Well, I mean it is, but it is. It's a dot git ignore file. Okay, and I. Do you have to put it in the git folder? What have I forgotten? I thought you did. Well, this is embarrassing. What is your opinion of Conrad Zuzi? Don't know. Let's look it up. Conrad Zuzi. Dude. He seems like a cool guy. But let's get back to our work. Now, I'm gonna ignore the blatant git ignore issue for now and focus more on the crowd controlling. Because I'm not actually sure what causes that issue. We need to make it so that the OHKO finishes right now it's just doing this. Literally all we need to do is we need to do this. Write 32 player.health. Actually, I think, yeah, it should just be this. Because now this second is the argument instead of the input. So yeah, that should be good. But the thing is, now our friend the Bob is damaged. So we actually need to rectify that. Ignore those issues for now. We'll tackle them later. Here, let's just reload the level. Okay, now let's run OHKO. Now all we have to do is wait 10 seconds to see if it actually brings our health back. It should. Yep, it did. Alright, good. Of course, we would have died, obviously. You know, I guess I could just make a kill effect. It costs me basically nothing. All I have to do is write 0 to that. I guess that can be the... I guess that can be this effect. I'll just make an effect called die here. Because it takes no effort right now. I just need to set HP to 0. And then this can be an example of a one-shot effect. So all I have to do in try effect here is I have to put connector dot write 32 player dot health 0 and they'll die. It's actually quite quick how they die. There's like no yeah, it's just instant. There's not even a... He doesn't even scream in pain or anything, he just dies. Kind of morbid, but also not really because it's just a game. What else can we add here? We can add basically anything we want. I'm just gonna be paranoid and keep adding these things to GitHub. Git dot git commit dash m ohko and die effects. Done. There. You can die now. Now an effect I wanted to add is like Ender Pearl. Although, I don't know. So it's hard to explain, well, not that hard to explain, but it's probably harder to code. Basically, I just wanted to make it so that when you throw this thing, whenever it explodes, you teleport to where it lands. So, if I wanted to do that, then all I would need to do is I would need to, oh yeah, cruise bubble. So cruise underscore bubble, kill underscore cruise bubble unnamed ZN. So this just, the cruise bubble basically. Oh. Doesn't die and interesting, doesn't actually die then. I guess explode is probably more useful then, because I don't want the teleportation to occur like a second after you're finished that already. So instead, I guess what I should do is I should just look for the exploding function or function, init underscore explode decal. No, that's init. I want this to actual explode. So cruise bubble update underscore cruise bubble kill. Okay, there's got to be a function here like particle effect. Play underscore sound. Well. Oh, wait. Yeah, this could work. See, all I have to do is, start underscore cruise bubble underscore unnamed. This must be the death function. Yeah, apply underscore damage, get underscore player level. Okay, yeah, this is the function for when it actually is dead. It must be. So the cruise bubble is this the cruise bubble? It seems like a pretty low address to be the cruise bubble. Let's get rid of the alignment here. So it's definitely going to put its position into the... No, this is the player's location. We don't actually... Well, no, wait. Okay, we care about that a little, but not right now. So start underscore cruise bubble. Multiply immediate. That's not multiply immediate. I don't actually remember what that stands for. All I know is this is a vector multiplication. Yeah. I need the position of the cruise bubble. I don't actually care about this stuff. But if R31 is the cruise bubble, then I actually just want the cruise bubble's actual position when I have this. Well, let's see. So is R3 the position? Actually, it must be. But these look like such weird numbers. No, it can't be. So R3. No, I don't believe that these are the numbers of the cruise bubble. They seem so weird. So apply underscore damage. Oh wait. So what's it doing here? It's taking this. It's adding 50 to it. This is probably the position of the cruise bubble, I'm assuming. Actually, let's prove it. Let's just wait for this function to run. Okay. And then we're gonna get to here. This is literally the position of the player. So because this is a pointer to the position of the player, what we can do is we can write a gecko code here to Mully is multiply low immediate. Yes. Okay, now it says 133, so I don't know what this is supposed to mean, because it was said 103 earlier. Should I check this message on stream though? I don't know what they're gonna say. It could be bad. Oh, it's nothing important. No, not bad. Bad isn't the right word. Nobody's saying anything bad to me. I just mean bad as in like it's not important for the audience. It's you know what I mean. So let's just change this to, so basically we're gonna replace some instructions, but we need this initial instruction before we overwrite it. So basically all I want to do is I want to do this because I think it's funny. I want to copy I want to copy the instruction, or sorry, I want to copy the position. There's already a copy function. No, it would take more assembly to call it. Well, not really. It wouldn't take, well, let's just do this because it's simpler. Let's just do psq underscore load pso r4 0 lfs and then store psq. These are the very rare instructions. I don't quite remember. yeah, I'm not gonna be able to remember these off the top of my head. I need the actual, the VEC3 copy. I need to actually look at it. Or does this game even use the optimized instructions? Because I don't think this is a very well put together game. But basically, there's optimized instructions in PowerPC for copying floats. Yeah, this isn't using the optimized instructions, because you can see here, this is just how they copy it. Well, I want to use them anyways, because I'm different. So let's go to the IBM underscore 750CL, 750CL document. So, because I want to use the actual PSQ. Come on. Let me use it. PSQ underscore L. Let me use it. What's the instruction formatting? Please tell me. So it is this, and okay. Well, I already am not remembering how to do that. Whatever. So PS0, R0, 0, 0. Okay, that's, oh, that was it. Yeah, that's right. R4, 0. Or is it this? Alright. So PSQ underscore L 0, 0, 0, 0. Holy, if only I could remember the formatting of this stupid instruction. Ah, there it is. Okay, so it's PSQ underscore L. Okay, yeah, that's right. Oh, of course that's right. Why do I make so many stupid mistakes when I'm not thinking? Because you gotta... Yeah. And then the quaternion register, whatever they're called. Stupid. I don't know why I keep making these dumb mistakes. Oh well. So let's just do this, and then we do PSQ underscore store, PS0, 0, R4, 0, except of course this needs to be R3 because that's SpongeBob's position. Then we just do this, SpongeBob's position, and that's it. A lot of mistakes there. It can be hard sometimes to remember everything, especially these instructions, because these are very hardware specific ones that you aren't going to use often. But yeah, let's assemble PS0. I guess they don't like you calling it that. No, I don't want raw. I want a gecko code, yeah. Okay, now for now, I'm not going to put it in the crowd control thing. I'm just going to put it here. Let's get rid of these two. Just for testing, I'm going to put the code, testing a bubble ender. I'm just going to put that there, yeah. So come on. looks a bit weird. Huh. Didn't do anything. Whoa. Yeah, it's right here, though. Oh. Oh, okay. Well. Yeah, of course. If you're not going to pay attention, then... If you're not paying attention to your registers, well, then that's going to happen. Basically, the SpongeBob player position moved to the 5th register. Alright, let's try that again. So my idea is kind of simple, but like, I just want it so like you have a cruise bubble where it causes you to teleport to where the cruise bubble is. Yeah, like that. Yeah, yeah, like that. The thing is, though, I want it to kind of be a spur of the moment. So I need to make it so that it's only possible. You should post it on the wiki if it works. I suppose so. We're down to 1 concurrent viewer. This is not fun. We need more viewers. So, what was I doing? Okay, what do I do now? I don't push to GitHub because I think that would be crazy if I push to GitHub every time I make a singular working effect. No, I mean, I meant I'll push to GitHub once I make the effect work. I meant like a singular part of a singular effect. This seems ridiculous. So what I want to work on next is I want to... Yeah, so I need it so that the cruise bubble only actually gets active. Well, I need it so that the cruise bubble gets created when you actually like ask for it in crowd control. So I'm not quite sure how we'll do that, but it looks like if there's a function for whether the cruise... Wait, why is there a function for whether the cruise bubble is active or not? How many people call this? Not a lot, actually. Whatever. But if there is 8029 minus 3D5C... 3D5C... 8029 minus 8029,000 minus 3D5C. Let's look here. 3. Well then, if this is whether it's active or not, all I have to do is put a right on this. And then, there we go. Launch underscore cruise bubble. I guess calling it launch makes sense. Basically, all I want to do is I want to make it so that crowd control can actually call this function. Wait, why is this in update cruise bubble? Does it even check? Wait, does it even check? Wait. How does it know to check that? Now I'm actually wondering. Landed underscore. Okay, well that makes sense. Kind of. How does it actually know whether it's time to do the cruise bubble? Okay, well obviously it's one of these functions, but okay, so check underscore launch. So can anybody launch it? Wait. Okay, is that the input for the play? Wait a minute. Is it literally just a byte for whether to... Okay, no, here's a piece of controller input, but wait. So basically, check underscore launch. If this is 0, then it means we're not going to launch the bubble. So all of this code is just checking to... Yeah, so return 0, but wait. So... No, so all of this code is trying to make it return 0. So I'm wondering how crowd control can convince this function to... because the problem is I'll have to add an assembly hook here for crowd control if I can't... Wait, why is there a string comparison function here? That's kind of weird. Here, does this go to 5? No. Does any of you help me in any way? Okay, no, so it's literally just this one. This is the only thing that lets the bubble launch or not. So that's not very fun. Shoot. Well then. I guess we might just have to put an assembly hook here, which I really don't quite enjoy, because... Although, wait. I'm actually curious. So, wait. What actually makes it so that it launches? Do any of these go? So if check_launch is successful, then it goes here to the launch function. So 7C. No, I guess this is the only way to do it. Well, that sucks, cause okay, we gotta add an assembly hook here, and that just takes up a bit of space for everyone involved. So I'm basically gonna do a pop system. Well, not a pop, but so what we can do is I can make it so that this value here, I still don't know why there's a string comparison here. I don't even know what it's comparing. But basically what I can do is, this is the thing that always returns 0. Otherwise you would be constantly launching the cruise bubble. What I can do is I can just make a simple gecko code here that which I call like a popper. And how it basically will work is, it's not a popper. There's a word for it. I don't know what it's called again. My memory betrays me. Basically, I can do this. I can just... I need a good address. I think that this game has a lot of unused table of content space. Like, okay, wait, never mind. I kid you not. We're gonna be looking for dead baby. Dead baby. Dead baby actually marks the end of the talk. I'm not even kidding. This is just a thing. No joke. It's literally just a thing. So let's see how far away this is from the table of contents. Well, actually, I guess the opposite then. So the table of contents is... Alright. Okay, so R2 minus 3F00, blah, blah, blah. Okay. You know what? I can't actually remember if this marks the end or the start. You know what? Doesn't matter. Let's just set this as our fun zone for doing stuff. So... Actually, no. Let's make it as an offset of talk. That way, people can reverse engineer to find it. So, talk plus 3. Yeah, that's not good. Dead baby. You know, I think I've done something wrong here, but I can't remember what. What did I do wrong? Minus 3F00. Did I accidentally... I think I accidentally copy-pasted the wrong address. That was all. Okay, whatever. So... Let's just do u const uint is force cruise bubble equal talk minus 0x3f00. So let's just write that gecko code here. 3f00 r2, and then compare where to me. Actually, wait. Oh no, I can just do this. Then I can do that. Works perfectly. Okay, that's nice. And then that's it. So assemble. Okay. Let's make that a gecko code. And now, what crowd control? Ooh, wait. No, actually, wait. No, this can literally just do this, because all I need this to do is I need this to I just need this to start the cruise bubble. But then what I can do is, once I have this, I can actually add it to the ender bubble, and then the ender bubble here is what can finish that off. So we go here, we don't inject, we assemble, and we also don't forget to do that. Okay. Oh, and now we're going to set back to C2. So we assemble here. And then what crowd control, all the crowd control needs to do is it needs to register that it's gotten, hey Joe Hooker. All that it needs to do, oh, Joe Hooker is probably already gone, because it's probably the proboscis that's still here. And then look, it's up to 207. I don't know what this means. Okay, and then what I need to do is I need to make a new effect. New effect ender bubble. I don't know if ender bubble is very clear. And then price equals 10. Oh wait, this isn't a duration effect. I don't know why I said it would be. So ender bubble, and then it's not really a timed effect. Well, I guess I'll make it work. So case ender bubble, and then what I need to do is return connector.read32. So connector.read32, And is force cruise bubble. Basically, I want to actually make sure that this isn't out uint. I guess this is kind of counterintuitive, but I want to make sure that crowd control hasn't already sent out this effect and the bubble is still running before doing this. So it's not that counterintuitive. I just want to make sure not is force cruise bubble real. Because if this is already set to 1, it means that crowd control is already... I actually have to go. Bye-bye for now. Okay, see you. If this is already 1, it means that crowd control has already done the cruise bubble effect. So, but obviously if it hasn't, then it means that it's fine to do this and actually start it. And then there's no... And then the game itself will end this effect because there's no easy way for crowd control to do it. So I've just made the game itself stop the effect. And now this should work. Let's see. Operator not cannot be applied to uint. Oh, I hate C# so much. In C you can get in C or C++ you can get away with doing anything you want like that. And I just love being able to do any nasty thing I want. Of course, not having a comma, well, no language is going to be happy with that. So let's add the comma here. Where's the comma that it's talking about? Wait, where's the comma that I needed? 145. Where'd the comma? Where's the comma that I needed again? What? Comma. I have this. Oh, no comma. There it is. Okay, now... Oh, we're gonna have to fix those errors later. Ender bubble success. Well, I haven't restarted the game, so you don't even know if that's true, game. Okay, this should work. Yeah, so it forces the cruise bubble. Then let's make sure it can't double dip. Estimated delay, okay. Yeah, it can't double dip, but the second it's allowed to double dip, then it will. Or sorry, the second that it's allowed to do it, then it will. Okay. Also, why is this unloaded? I guess you have to actually walk through the waypoint to make it work. What a small issue. Nobody will ever care. I should also probably see how this works in an empty save file. Okay, and one other thing that I should be doing is I should actually make it a part of this gecko code for it to, it should only be teleporting you if this is, it should only be doing that if this is not, sorry. We want to jump over all this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Whatever, we just want to jump over all this. I can put a label here, right? BNE, or is it .l1? That will work, right? Yeah, okay. I want to make it so that effect only runs when you've actually done the crowd control effect, not anything else. So let's get that to work. And yeah. So now... Oh no. Okay, yeah. I know why. I literally did B and E when I meant BEQ. Well, I don't need to touch this code ever again, so I'm just gonna... It totally would have been easier to copy-paste. I don't know why I have to be all smug and do it in a hex just to prove that I can. But see, like, it's exactly the same. And so... Now... Actually, this will work in a new game, right? It's probably what's cooler about this.
Yeah, Gary, it sure looks...
Okay. Yeah, so we can't do anything, but crowd control you. Oh yeah, it works in a new game. And then you teleport to the bubble. Yep. Okay. And then, now this should obviously work. So now the bubble will work like normal. Okay. Then I'll activate the ender bubble. I guess, yeah, that's fine. Is it fine that it happens while you're already throwing the bubble? I'd say so. I'd say that makes it even more abrupt. What was that? Is that just something that happens in the base game? Yeah, that has nothing to do with my code. I think that literally just happens. Because I didn't touch any of that, did I? What of that would I have even touched for that to happen? Now I'm concerned. Did I do that? How could I have possibly done that? Oh, because I put this. Okay, yeah. I did do that, because I forgot to put the instruction that I replaced right here. For all I know, the glitch still happens anyways, but that's probably safer. Okay. Copy-paste that. And then, for now, I'll put it in the document here, just at the top. No, I guess I can add a gecko file. Gecko file is better. Okay, I'll add a file here called gecko.txt, and I'll mark the gecko codes on what they do. $make gecko code, or ender cruise bubble add-on -0x. Okay, so let's do that. Git add dot git commit dash m ender cruise bubble done. Git push, and there we are. 0 viewers. No, it's over. Now I guess I'm just coding for myself and anyone who watches this stream later. No, I'm very sad. Maybe I should ask someone to watch my stream so I can be happy. Nah, that's begging, and I never beg. Okay, now let's do some other effects. Oh, you know what's a fun and easy one? Z-ent player. I already know that it's Z-ent player. I have some background information, but that's fine. This is the WhiteBox. This is the WhiteBox session. So this is basically just about what you can do when you already understand the game, when you have a symbol map. That's basically it. So, Patrick launch. Wait. Okay. This person will help me. Oh, Jumpland? Oh, you know what would be super fun? Nobody's here to listen, but it'd be super fun if there was a what's it called? A floor is lava effect, except I don't know if it would be. Oh, wait. No, not a floor is lava effect. I mean like the bounce. There's bouncy surfaces in this game. Where are they? They're bubble bouncy bounce. Yeah, so bounce check. Oh, wait. Oh, is this literally it? Is this the entire bounce function? That'd be crazy. If it's just this. Oh, no. What? What? No. No, why are they doing that? Why is he doing that? He's not even bouncing. He's like, he's acting like he's bouncing. But he's not. Unless it's part of the terrain itself, how high he'll bounce. That probably makes sense. The only place I know with bouncy stuff is here. So it's like actually bounce. Whoa. Okay, there we go. So, is it literally just this? If it is, that'd be cool. Oh, no, it isn't. So that means that this bounce is less important than something that happened earlier. Zent player underscore update. Is this like a collision check? Is that what this is? Probably. If it is, I'll be happy. Okay, I don't know what that is then. Well, it could be a collision check on top of a... I'm not sure. Okay, so it's not even running. Then... Ooh, I want to figure out what causes you to bounce. B bounce to jump. Oh. It's probably that then, eh? No, it isn't. B bounce to jump check. B bounce to... B bounce strike check. B bounce, B bounce. I already know that B bounce does happen. B bounce, B bounce. Actually, I can probably just look at whatever causes the sound effect. Because it's this thing that causes the sound. Zent player drive underscore update. If it's this, that'd be crazy. Okay, so X strain hash. Huh. Let's see here. Is it you? Are you the one? What determines not to jump? That's my question. You know, I didn't even check if that was actually the bounce, by the way. Oh, this is not where I wanted a save state. I want to be in Jellyfish a Field. And I want to be just about to hit the bounciness. Okay. Yeah, so... No, there's literally only one thing making that sound. So the same thing that's making that sound must also be the same thing making the bounce. So let's do this. X sound play internal, blah blah blah. See how to player drive update. Accent drive dismount. Z surface get surface. Okay. Okay. Z surface get stand on, get slickness. Wait, get slickness. Wait, this sounds funny. Why are there two get slick? Oh, wait. Wait, what do you mean get slickness? Are you telling me that I can, Is this gonna be a happy accident here? Where I'm just randomly looking at stuff and I see something really funny? Minus, see, some of this stuff is just about discovery, like, hey, what if I change this? That'd be funny. Not always, but if I'm gonna try doing this. If this works, that'll be funny. Oh no, what? What's happening? I guess it's too slick? Literally what is happening? Let's change you back to a 1, my friend. If that's what happens at 10, what happens if I make it lower? Oh no. Okay, so this float must be used in multiple places. That's the only reason it can be breaking that much. So slickness. I guess I'll have to change the instruction itself, but it seems really funny. So let's see here. Do. So, wait. Why is the slickness gotten here, but it just gets thrown away immediately? Z surface gets slickness. Wait, what? Huh. So then, wait, does that make this the real function? That's so weird. So does that mean it doesn't even matter what I load in here? R3. That means there must also be a floor bounciness. Whatever. Well. Let's just change it to this. If this function doesn't work anyways, then who cares? Because... whatever then. Let's change this to a 0.25. Is that just... oh wait, or did I forget to change the old value? No, what? I thought this was gonna be fun. How is that? You gotta be kidding me. No. Is that really just what happens if you set it to that? Why does it only work at exactly like 1? What if I did this? Okay, well now it's not even noticeable. What if I did this? What if I did this? Is it... Wait, is there some type of hard coding thing going on here? Yeah, what is this? I must say, I'm quite confused. But whatever. Here, I wonder if it's anything to do with the fact that these values are inconsistent. What the... Why is it so weird? You know, I haven't tried the most obvious approach. I haven't just made a... Maybe I should just try making the actual value here lower. Yeah, what happens if I just change all the collision? Why is it so broken? Okay. Well then how does the ice even work in the first place? If it's this broken. Now I'm curious. Okay. I'm kind of struggling to understand how this works, so I think I'll move on from now. Z surface get friction. Get friction. Are these like unused features? Maybe it's unused because this doesn't make any sense. Get friction makes more sense than whatever the heck's going on here. Unless get friction isn't even used, because what the heck? No, get friction isn't even used. So how exactly does this slickness function work? Here, let's look at actual ice. Let's switch to player. I forget how you switch which player is the active player. Guess I could look at the bus code. Z bus stop underscore update event. Yeah, the bus. Okay. If this doesn't work, this would be shocking. Is it in the update code? Oh, it must be. See, it shouldn't be that hard because the bus stop only needs to change. Yeah, the player ID. So it's R13 minus 72A0. 13 minus. And if I set this to 1, then we should be Patrick. Okay. My question is, yeah, how does slickness work? I gotta know. If this... Okay, so wait, this is still set to 1. My. So, how do they know whether they're on ice or not? Oh, wait. Gasp. So it's not even a... No, I don't get it. So it's you. Wait a minute. But then, well, who's setting you? What is this normally? It's still normally 0.01, so what's your goal here? R13 minus 770. Well, let me save that. I'm so curious. 760. What if I just made this ridiculously large? I didn't know that would happen.
Hey, what just happened?
Interesting. Okay, but what if I made it a lot worse? Like, what if I made it like -1? So I don't understand what the system, what system the game is using for friction if, I don't understand how changing all these values doesn't do anything. Like, okay, but why is it when I change this function, the game freaks out? Like, almost immediately. In fact, this isn't even being used. This value. Is it? Oh. Okay, it is. Well done. But how's it being used? Oh, it's being converted to an integer. Why is it being converted to an integer? I didn't even notice that. Wait, what? Oh, why is it being converted to an integer? Huh, that's interesting. So... I'm gonna wonder why that's the case a bit more. Yeah, and it's 0. 'Cause you can't convert that to an integer. So why is it an integer? 7E58. Who uses this? What the heck? Is this just the worst code ever written? Interesting. Then what are you and how are you used? You don't seem to be important for anything. What is this then? What happens if I set this to a 0? I still don't understand why this slickness function was implemented then. It continues to befuddle me. Oh, and this reset itself to 1 anyway, so whatever. Then what are these values?
Up we go!
Okay, this looks like this is important. This value, yeah, what happens if I set U to 0? Yeah, this seems like it's an actual traction value, so who's setting U? And why does it take so much effort? Z surface gets stand on? Was that not what, wait, what? But this is Z surface gets slickness, right? Why are these different inputs? Z surface gets stand on. Oh wait, these functions must be out of whack. The symbol map must be super off. Okay, whatever. Well then, what if I just set this to always be like ridiculous, like? Oh, wait. Wait, what? Why is that determining? Compare word immediate. Where is it getting this value from? It's probably getting 174C. Well then. Probably whatever. Oh wait, this is 1 again. But it's literally 0.2 here. Wait. Has this always been a lie? Was there ever, like, any ice physics code implemented for the actual surfaces? What the heck? I'm super confused. Because it looks like this is a hard-coded value, almost. Like, soft... Like, I'm a little confused here. Gotta be honest. So does this just change when you're not on the ice? Okay. Whoa, laggy. So, does it... is there literally just a boolean for whether to use this address or not? Or this value or not? That's crazy if so. Because it doesn't seem like the actual surface determines this speed. So 1A F8. What is this normally set to? Okay, wait, no. Okay, so 0. Okay, whatever. I'm thinking too hard about this. It's probably just, oh no, the Boolean is here. Okay, wait, no, it's even further far back than that. So, if we go here, here... How far is this? Here? Okay. What happens if you go... So, wait. R20... So... -1. What was that address placed here? It was 17F4. Okay. Wait, why is it 17F4? No, it's 1748. So, what happens if I just set you to 1? It will... Yeah, it'll run all this. Why does the game, like, use a timer for how long to be slippery? What? So what happens if I set this to, like, 100? What the heck? Why does the game have like a built-in... Why does the game have like a built-in timer for this? This is stupid. So, does someone just constantly write this? Why? ZFX GUIZ. Why is this a thing? What the heck? So the developers use a float to determine if that's so weird. That's so weird. Why? Why? That doesn't make any sense. In what world does doing that make any sense? What if I set it to 100? But why? But why? But why? Okay. Why is there a timer for how long to be slippery for? And then this is just how much slipperiness to apply, which actually, what happens if I set it to 100? Actually, kind of the same. So wait, what if I set this to 0? And then I have no control. What if I set this to like -1? Oh, I thought that would be inverted controls. No, it doesn't act like inverted controls. What if I set it to like -100?
That's much better.
I can't tell why the developers made it work like that. Interesting though. Which one was the timer? This one. Okay, 14C. Make it -100. Why does -100 feel the same as when I made it super crazy? But when I set it to 0, you are actually unable to move when it's set to 0. So I don't know what type of logic this is using. Like, what if I set it to 0.9? Okay, if I set it to 0.9, then it feels like I have basically full control. I am very confused about how this actually works. In fact, yeah, if I don't set it to anything lower than 0.5, then it just feels like I have full control. That is so weird. I don't understand. What were the developers going for? Actually, wait. Yeah, why does it need to be exactly 0.2 for it to feel like you're slippery? Oh, wait. Is there something else related to this code? Because I seem to have more control than I did before. Okay, well the timer ran out, so let me change that back. Oh no! I guess let's go all the way back. I just want to know why the Oh wait, that is normally how slippery it is. I guess I imagined it was less slippery in my head. Well, if that's the case, then I want it to be more slippery than that. What if I set it to like -1? Okay, yeah, that feels... See, because this is what I imagine in my head when I think of slippery controls. I don't think of anything like... Look how stupid they look. Yeah, this is what I think of when I think of slippery controls. I don't think of whatever, Oh yeah, this is terrible. Let me try and make it 1. Or did 1 not work? I think 1 did not work. Yeah. But then for some reason when you set it to 10, it does work. But then if you set it to something ridiculous like 1,000, then it doesn't really change anything. Oh my. Alright, well I can't say that I entirely understand it, but I believe we do have ourselves an effect here, and I'm just going to give it some values. I'm back, what did I miss? I'm trying to make an icy effect, but it's kind of weird how the developers programmed it. So I'm just trying to inspect their code, but I think I've come to I've come to a decision on how to code it. Slippery movement is bad. I'll change it later. Oh, you know what sucks? No, wait, no, this doesn't suck. I can meta program this. Like, I can make it a start timed effect, but like, I can just not have a return value, which will upset the game, but who cares? Hopefully no one cares. That crowd control incorporated. Price equals, like, I don't know, 10, duration. 15 seconds, I think. People can always change it later, so let's make an effect here. So case, ice floor. Basically, this one's a lot simpler. All we need to do is we have public static float slip timer equals base add plus 0x1748. Is all of this documented? I don't even know. This could have been on the GitHub for all I know. Let me look at the BFBB GitHub. Decomp. I could be... So, in my mind, this is stealing because I'm just taking from a bunch of people who work for free and I'm putting their code into my crowd control. So, I don't like to use the GitHub, but now I'm just genuinely curious if this is already in the GitHub, because I feel like all this stuff is so weird. I don't even know how they would describe it in their header files. Like, is there even any, slippery? Has anyone even ever touched this before? Like, where is player? Player, no. Yeah, it appears to be the case that no, wait. Lots more zend player functions. Okay, there is a zend player.h. How do I go to that file? I just have to know. Do they even know this is a thing? Like, this is so crazy to me. This isn't the zend player, is it? Where is, oh, I guess I should look up health. Zend player underscore give health. Oh, wait, this is the exact same file. Well, where's health? Health. Well, show me where this code is. Where is it? Show me. Okay, yeah, it looks like they've documented all this. This stuff looks so weird to me, though. Surf peak ratio, surf Excel. Oh well. Well, I don't like looking at the documentation anyways. Let's figure out our own stuff here. Because as long as I don't look at the documentation, I don't know. The documentation for this game isn't very good, anyways. So I wouldn't worry too much about it. Let's focus on making our effects work for us. So let's make icy floor. So These are all just generic values. So player dot slip timer request dot, it should be duration, and player dot slip amount. No, not slip amount. Yeah, slip amount. 1000.0f. 1000 is a good number. I don't know why. Probably shouldn't be. But it seems to work in game, so I'm not going to think about it that hard. No, that was right. Oh, yeah, sorry. And then for this finishing, I'm just going to make it do case ice floor. I'm just going to have it return true, because the game actually manages how long it lasts. So let's do this. Okay. And actually, there's no even reason. No, I'm not going to do it that way. I'm literally going to make it so that the effect lasts for 9,000 seconds because the game allows that. And then I am going to stop the effect using code because that could break some things later. But, yeah. I have no idea why they have a timer for how long to make the floor slippery. It seems like just some weird code. Because in the final game, you only ever slip when you're actually on the ice, so it doesn't make any sense to me. So let's actually look at this here. Slip timer. And then let's just do that, yeah, once you're done. And that should be the effect. So let's write that. Whoa, float to Yulon. Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm stupid. These aren't actually floats. They're pointers to floats. They don't exist as floats. That's why you have to tell the connector what to do. I always forget the comma. It's never anything actually important. You know? What a shame. The typer namespace. Metadata. What does that mean? How did I accidentally make that comeback? That's weird. Okay. Actually, I don't know if this effect, I need to go to a different map. Okay. Okay, yeah, it's definitely working. This is the worst. This is, like, terrible. This is so fun, though. How terrible it is. Nice. Okay. That's another one down the hatch. Okay, let's do that. Git add dot git commit dash m slippery movement git push. Yay, we did it. Alright. And then let me just test Ender Bubble again, because it's fun. And I wasted it. That's a lot of fun. And I'm already down for the count. Now, how do I make this surface bouncy? Because I already figured out how to make it a... Nah, bouncy surface isn't that the best. We're hitting 2 hours. 2 hours of my life down the drain. Player underscore update. Pretty sure you can make the player faster if you just edit something here. Is it this? Yeah, it has to be actually. Do 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 do. I like the music in this map, though I'm not even playing it. Sorry, I'm just thinking of how I want to implement this, because I can do it lazily, which would actually work quite fine. Actually, maybe I will just do it lazily. There's no reason not to. You know, I've spent so much time setting up these systems. Why don't I ever just let myself use them? Basically, nah, I don't need this. This doesn't even mean anything without its friend. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do this. I'm going to make it so that you can make the player go faster. Going to take FMR, F31. Actually, no. I can get rid of that if I'm... Yeah, I can do LFS, F31. Oh, wait, yeah, this is actually clever-ish. Then instead of that, we want 3EEC, R2, instead of 3F00. Am I going crazy? Yes, I am. It's 3FFC. Why would it be? It's 3FC. I don't know why I always doubt myself, but then doubt myself again and be wrong. So then I can just do F mules, F31, F31, F1, F0. No. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, that's clean. That's clean. But I don't want to... Actually, can I do this without even doing that? What if I just try and reuse one of these instructions? Oh, yeah, wait, I can. These don't even do anything. Why are these here? Wait, no, they are, because this is an STX. So weird. That, it's not that weird. Whatever, you know what? Why do I even care? Because this doesn't hurt anyone. Sometimes I try to be efficient for no reason, but it slows everyone down. See, I know when to not be efficient. That should be something I'm trying to do. Is purposefully be inefficient for the sake of being efficient overall, if that makes any sense. Like, knowing when to lose a marble to get an egg, or whatever the expression is. Testing, this is literally all I need for a faster, slower player code. Then player speed. I like to make it so that it's actually, honestly, I need to look this up. I don't remember how you convert a string to, I don't remember how you convert a string to a... Let me look at the other crowd control pack. I've done this before. Yeah, so... player tick speed. Yeah, it's code params 1. And who sets code params? Okay, it's this. String code params. Aha. Set player tick speed. Yep, so it's just this. then this is just gonna be... Do it. Yes. We are now immortal, but not really. Wait, what am I doing? This is the only arguments, yeah. So then this looks kind of cool, right? Well, actually it doesn't look like anything until I actually show what I want to do. And then case player speed return connector dot write float player speed 1.0f. Okay, and now I can make two effects here. I can make fast player, slow player effect. Quite simple. 200 player speed underscore 50. Then slow player, fast player. Okay. Now that should work. It shouldn't... No! The commas! The commas always get me. How could they do this to me, those commas? Even though it's completely my fault. Okay, this should work. Oh, it'll work once I restart the game. That's, of course, what I mean. Don't mind me forgetting to start the game. Nobody's here. I'm so sad. I love how low quality it looks. Why is it low quality? I just don't know. What if I look at my own tab? Okay, you can... It's not that bad. Why is it low quality? It's not that bad. Okay. Oh no, I accidentally clicked on the multiplayer mod. I'm not even trying for the multiplayer mod this time. We got bigger fish to fry. In fact, it won't... No, there's no way this will ever work with the multiplayer mod, because the multiplayer mod, the way that it works is, it's way too specific for crowd control to ever meaningfully interact with. Was SpongeBob invisible there? Wait, what? Did you see that? Okay. Yeah, I clicked on the wrong copy of the game. Did I click on... No. Oof. Oh. Oh, because I didn't initialize the player speed. That's right. Here, I gotta fix that. So, if it's RTOC minus 3EFC, then that is... Sorry, just thinking of something funny. See, I laugh when I think of something funny. Most people, they aren't just randomly laughing about funny things they remember. Oh, why did that crash? That's even worse than woo-wee. How could that even crash? Oh, geez. Jeez Louise. Okay. Wow. Let's try that again, hey? Okay, so we're set to 1. Everybody's happy with that. Okay, so we load it into... Well, stop doing that, please. Okay. Are these addresses being used for something? They probably are. Well, in that case, okay. If those addresses are being used, then what we can do, I guess, is, well, this makes that a little more complicated. If I can't just set the values to be whatever I want, then... Well, I guess I could just do I guess I could just do I'll be a bit lazy because I don't want to break the logic of the game. Well, I definitely want to avoid a crash. So R0 compare word would be any BEQ. Here, we're gonna do this. We're just gonna play it safe, and we're gonna initialize the value using the assembly code itself. This barely costs the game anything, really. But it will be noticeable in the fact that it works. Analytics. Nobody's here. That's fine. I can handle that. Somebody will watch this one day and be like, thank you for showing me how to make a crowd control pack, even though nobody else wanted to watch. Okay, it's still broken after everything I said, like, I'll get it to work no matter the cost. Did I did I invert the code? Yeah, I did invert the code. I keep doing that lately. I don't know what that says about me. Oh shoot, you know what? I forgot to Ender Cruise bubble. No, wait, this is only the second gecko code I've written. Never mind. I was saying I was worried I was forgetting to write down gecko codes, but no. This is the only other one I've been writing so far. So, okay. Why am I such a forget to write the logic correctly guy? Guess it's just a problem. Okay, well now it's working. For obvious reasons. The obvious reason being it's gonna work. Alright. Woo-wee. Why am I yawning? Shouldn't be tired this hour. Okay. Let's get you changed in the code to be a branch not equal. And now let's test the fast player code. Oh, look at him. He's so fast. What if I combine it with the slippery movement? That's so fun. So funny and dumb. Why am I still slippery? I guess oh yeah, I just made it last longer. Slow player is so hard. Like, oh my god, look at... It's unbearable. Please, free me. Okay, there we go. Okay, well I can add that to the GitHub. So... yeah, I guess? Let me look at the GitHub here. Is it still showing the VS? Yeah, it is. I don't know why it's doing that. Am I just stupid? What am I forgetting? also edit this. Dollar. Make player speed edits work. Let's go. Oh, you know what would be funny? If the jump was just really, really high. For no reason. Why? Why not? You can't handle the truth. Oh, that's not what that does? Okay. Do wall jump check. Wait. Can you just make the player wall jump anything? I didn't know that. So what happens if whatever. Zant player jump start. Do. G jump check. So it's normally 0, obviously. How do you decide whether to jump or not in this game is my question. It's probably this Zant player jump start function. That's my guess. If only I knew why, it was my guess. Oh, so jump CB is called, but... wonder what these inputs are. Alright, let's see here. What are these values? You know, these are probably just a lot of the values for how high you jump are probably pretty well documented in this game. There's no reason for them not to be, considering this game is not trying to hide anything. This was before, this game wasn't made by developers like, we need everything to be super secret. We need everything to be under our control. So you got 5 here. It's probably... Wait, what is R4 right now? I don't know if I care that much. Yeah, I definitely don't care. Or do I? I don't think I care. So what is it that this function does exactly? That's kind of funny. So then it clearly does just start. Uh-oh. Did I literally just lose the function? I almost did. That was embarrassing if that happened. So it's just one of these that determines how high you jump. And I imagine it's this value. It's gotta be. Okay, well, I'm jumping like... I'm barely jumping, so that's gotta be it. I think that was a weird thing I discovered when I looked at this game. Is like there's kind of like two values for jumping, but if I change one, it gives the illusion that I kind of changed both. So I don't know, why is it a pointer reference? That's just too much work for my mind. Yeah, why is it literally... Actually, wait a minute. I don't know if it's safe to just hard code these values or not. I really don't know. But I think these parameter values might be what you would consider hard coded, so I don't know. I guess I'm gonna risk it because I don't actually know. Wait. Let me look at the alternate version of this game, because there's actually two versions of this game. I want to see if it's safe to do that or not. So this is a 3C0F20. 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 Okay. C. Okay, well this has to be basically a constant then. Because if it's the same between both games, there's no way like anything is realistically changing it all that much. So I'm gonna say that it's safe to change this. And this is 6-0 then, yeah. In fact, wait. This is literally within... Wait, how is this even a pointer in the first place? This is literally a part of the player. Wait a minute, what the heck? 80330558. Wait, that's so weird. Why is... Wait, so within 9C8 of the player is the parameters, and then the pointer to that is 9C4 deep here. Okay, that's weird. That is really, really weird. But then that would mean if you take the player address and you add 9C8 plus 40, A08, you should also get, yeah, you should also get the jump height. So that's weird. Height equals base address plus 0x A08. And I think this will be kind of a fun effect. I'm gonna try it at least. I think it'll be fun. If it's not, well then. Oh well. So, jump power. It's actually gonna be using quite similar code here. And then, I'm actually not gonna do any division here. I'm just gonna use the actual value. And then this is player dot, whoa. And then it's 5.0 by default. So this one shouldn't even require how is there multiple? Oh. This one shouldn't even require a dolphin restart. Let's go. Super jump time. Oh, what did I just... Oh, no. I forgot. Oh, no. How does this not crash the game? Okay, I forgot to change the initial... Okay, it's over. It's over for that. Yeah, I forgot to change this. Damn it. I always forget to do stuff like that. I'm a trial and error kind of guy, you know? Okay. Let's reload the game. I'm back. What did I miss? Wait. No, that can't be Proboscis because this is a... Proboscis left. This is a completely different viewer. Hey. And they left again. Oh well. Oh wait, why is it worse than ever before? No, it's even worse now, what the heck? Oh, because it's like... Oh, wait a minute. I think it's actually the opposite. I think it might be the... I think it might actually be a downward velocity that it's applying. Yeah, it has to be. Okay, so if I do this... Whoa! Whoa! It's super jump time. Does that apply to everything, actually? No. Ah, that's kind of a nice effect. Boing, boing. Yeah, it's nice. It'd be funny if I had a... Not a super jump, but like a... Maybe I should just do a 50 minus, even though that would be a very... Who cares, really? Oh wait, I care. That's right. Well, whatever. Let me just do this for now. It's not actually as bad as I thought it would be. I guess at a certain point, can't really affect you that much to have negative jumping. Let's get rid of that code then, I don't like it. I don't like the bad version of that effect. We had a comment here. There we go. We're so high, it's crazy. Should work for every character. Well, I'm the developer, I'll just test it. If this is Patrick's Dilemma, do we play as Patrick? I know there's a bus stop up here. There should be a bus stop here. The super jump doesn't actually work for Patrick. I'm glad I tested then. I wonder what Patrick uses then for their jump power. Oh, that's why it's a pointer. Okay, I get it now. So it actually does change. Okay. But then that would mean... If there's multiple... So the 9C4, what does this point to? 1368. 1368. So it's E10. It would be E50. Okay. Okay, I see. So then where's Sandy's, I wonder? Okay, I see how it is. Okay, so can I add a function to this? Public void. Ayo. Let's do it. So basically all I want to do is I just want to do it that for each for Patrick Parms, Sandy Parms, and SpongeBob Parms, I just need to do the same effect. So yeah. Or this is probably the only parameter effect I'm gonna change. I could probably just get away with hard coding it. I don't know if that's a good idea long term or whatever, but I'm gonna do it like this for now. I don't know if this is the best way to approach it from a coding perspective, or sorry, it's good to it's a fine approach from a coding perspective. I just don't know if it's the best from a maintainability perspective, but it will work. Learned you that. So I just don't know. I think it's fine. So let's put a breakpoint on this later. Let's switch to a level with Sandy. And then what is this offset going to be? 17B0. Interesting. 1 minus 558. And so that's going to be 1298, right? 1298. The jump height should be exactly the same, right? Okay. So 1298. And then for each of these, I can do this. Well, I can do float h equals negative float dot parse code and then I can do this. And then I do a little bit of repetition. Okay. Okay. All right. There we go. And then here I'll do the same thing, but 5.0f, 5.0f, and then 5.0f, and then we should be good. So let's do this. Does Sandy even have a double jump? Yeah, she does. Okay, whatever. Whoa. Wait, can you actually get on these roofs? I don't think you're supposed to be up here in the original game. Yeah, you're definitely not supposed to be up here. I can see the missing vertices on top of this roof. Karate! I know karate. There we go. So, get status. Now, I'm gonna try and figure out why the get ignore isn't working. The Rare Broccoli Man stream? Yeah. I want to figure out why get ignore isn't working, because if you look at my GitHub right now, it's pretty awkward. It's like the get ignore has been pushed somehow, and I don't know why. Get ignore pushed to repo. Oh, do I have to... Okay, let's see here. Yeah, this is... What's... I don't know, but I don't want my get ignore to be pushed to the repo, because I don't want the... I don't want the VS folder that Visual Studio generated to go in it. Yeah, I clearly... your .vs should not have been pushed. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Wait, do I have to manually delete the VS folder after I've made the get ignore? You know, that's probably what it is. Let me try. Get rm dash... Is it H? No, it's F of VS. So get rm dash f dash r dot vs. Okay. Get add dot get commit dash m get push. Okay, there, it's gone. Yeah, I committed the, yeah, I added the get ignore after. Okay, so that's all that happened, is what you're saying. Okay. Let's get back to the crowd control part, because that was just me having an issue with Git and I didn't understand. So far we've implemented kind of just standard effects here. Super jump. Yay, look at me, I'm so jumping so high. Fast movement. You just become really fast. Actually, it's not even that fast. It's only double speed. And then the worser version of that is slow player. This one is horrible. Wait, what happens if I do this? Okay, yeah, it works still. Okay. Oh no. Oh no, I've become horribly deformed. My body no longer functions correctly. Is there any way to fix that? Oh no. Am I just stuck like this forever? Oh wait, no, I touched that and I'm fine again. Okay, so that's an effect that's only supposed to work with SpongeBob. Apparently it works with... What? Using Dolphin's memory tab? Impressive. I only use Dolphin memory engine because I hate how often Dolphin crashes in debug. That's... The reason it probably crashes so much in debug is because you have dual core on. That's my theory. Because, I've never had a lot of crashes with Dolphin if I don't use dual core. I would like to use Dolphin memory engine, but the last time I used it, it had a lot of problems on my computer for some reason. Like, it lagged extensively. And I mean, it lagged, like, made my entire computer go at 5 FPS. Not dual core, then I don't know why it's crashing. But I had issues with Dolphin memory engine, and I literally just don't know why. So I haven't used it lately, but I could probably start using it again if I wanted. Anyways, I'm trying to think of another effect here. Wait, let me see, does this work? Yeah, that works. That works fine. What's a stupid effect that I could do? This game has a lot of unused content, actually. Wait, invincible. Jump in effect as invisible wall hack. Oh, wait, there's an invisible wall hack? Wait. Is that a thing, really? What else could I add? Just generally instability with memory breakpoints, I see. How am I already running out of creativity? I've made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I've made 7 effects, and my brain is already running out of ideas. Let me see here. Actually, wait. How does the game store spatulas? It'd be evil if I made a remove spatula effect. But no, I'll do that later. Because that's not the one. That's not one of the fun ones to do. Wonder if there's anything I can do to the camera. Let's see here. Camera. FOV. Blurriness. Is blurriness even a thing? Okay, blurriness is a thing. I don't know if the game... When has there been blurriness? I don't remember. 0? Wait. So what if I just change the input here to always be... So this is a stored 0. What happens if it's not that, though? What happens if I change the input to be like 0.5? And that's the maximum amount of blurriness, I'm assuming? Okay. Oh man. Okay, now I'm curious. What happens if I just make the input always be... Oh, how do I compress the logic here easily? Because everyone's using everything here. Whatever. I'll just do this. I don't even think this comparison really matters. As far as I can tell. Well, except for the obvious part, which is this, and I don't really care. Let me just test this for now. I want to see what will happen if I make this a funny, stupid value. I don't believe this game has blurriness. I don't think that's true. That's why I'm skeptical. Okay, yeah. This must be a leftover from... Or have I disabled EFB effects somehow? Enhancements, scaled EFB, copy. Have I disabled the EFB? Disabled EFB. No. So, yeah, this must just be a leftover from the Xbox version. Because it doesn't make any sense why it's not working. Oh well. It's not like I really cared about this kind of effect anyways. The fog. Why is it always setting the fog params? Oh, no, it isn't. So, render states. No, I don't think I care about that. Near far clip? Wait a minute. Is this always getting run? No, it's not. It says that it's just at this address, though, so I guess I could change it whenever I want. 7cc8 R13 minus cc8 0.05. Okay, so this is like the closest you have to be to see something. Yeah, so I'm farsighted now. Oh wait, does that change culling too? No, it doesn't. They were just being weirdly quiet. I love this effect. Well, I don't really love it, but I like what it forces you to have to adapt to. Why aren't they biting me? Does it affect collision? Because they can't seem to bite me anymore. It might affect collision also. Ooh, that can't be good. What if I just kept it going? What if I did this? Oh no! It's too much. Yeah, that the game does not like to see. Does not like that. I think that does actually affect collision. I don't think they can bite me. No, they can. But then why weren't they doing that earlier? I have to actually double check this. Yeah, it seems like you're immortal as long as they can't get you, so this might not be a good effect if you're just literally immortal. Immortality isn't fun. Let me change this then. Did I not remember to change the old value? No, I didn't. $100 is a really large value. I have to make it even lower. Wait, is this not the farthest you can see? Why wouldn't they have the farthest you can see right beside the closest you can see? Yeah, it doesn't appear to be. Okay. Well, let's see here. Eye camera set near far clip. It literally says the near and the far clip. Is the far clip unused for some reason? Why would the near clip be used but not the far clip? Okay, no, it is. Being read right here. Yeah, set far clip plane. What the heck? Get near screen Z. Get far screen Z. Okay. Wait. Is it like does it just have to be really low? Okay, no. Well, I don't understand. Everything is rendering the same when I change the far distance, but when I change the near distance, whatever. Whatever. Alright. Alrighty then. Everyone's left me again. It's all over now. It's all over now. It's fine. So, is this the real far render distance? 664, 600. What happens if I set U super low? Okay, that's what I expected to happen. Oh no, the fog is coming. Oh no, the fog is coming. This could be a funny effect. I should add an effect called the fog is coming. Actually, how do I do that though? So it's literally only called here, but where is the camera? Does the camera literally come from this address? Well, that was easy. Wait a minute, what the heck? Plot twist. The camera is actually part of the player? Who would have known? Why is literally everything just a part of the player? It's so weird. Not that I'm complaining, makes it easy for modding. Okay. So I literally just have to change 664 here. Then what does 15 do? Eh. This is gonna be a fun effect. I'm gonna make it so like the fog comes in and then it'll like block your screen for a while and then it'll go away. And it's gonna be the fog is coming. Public static static U. And then I don't think I need anything else there. Then where is a repeat effect? An example, repeat action. This sucks, it looks terrible. Well then, I guess you should have thought about that before being in my own code repository, because I'm going to use you. So, fog, I'm going to do, so case fog, and then repeat action, time span dot from seconds. It should be request dot duration, set rotation degrees, there should just be fog then. So many people come and leave and they never stay. Actually, wait. Hold up. Ring ding 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 ding. A ring ding. And then what we want to do is I think we want to check how long the duration's been for. Actually, how do I know how long this has been running for? That's a good question. Myself, thank you for answering. Shoot. Because all I know is I want to interpolate the value as it goes. Actually, wait. No, I could probably just get away with... let's just do it simply for now. Let's just do player.initial fog strength and then connector.read float. So player.initial, yeah, let's just do player.fog strength out float. I guess we can do X for now. So if this is every 0.1 seconds, I guess I could just hard code, even though it's stupid, I could hard code to do 600 minus, let's just hard code it for now. So 600 divided by 0.1. No, wait, I want the opposite of that, don't I? Oh man, I'm being stupid right now. 0.1 times like 5, 1. So in 100 seconds, no, in 10 seconds, it will run 100 times. So I want 6 times 100. Yeah, I just want it to be 6. Or, but if actually, what happens if I set it to a negative value? Now I'm curious. I'm just gonna leave it like that. I don't know how the game will react to negative fog. Okay, let's do that. Fog. The fog is coming. I got it stuck in my head now. They're so addictive. Okay, this should work without any other code edits because can I convert from out U into out float? Why not? Oh, that's why. Argument 3 must be passed with the out keyword. Oh, that's it. Oh, that's why. Why would I do that? There's so many stupid little mistakes that I make. What is this saying that I can't convert to double? 210. Cannot convert to double. Why not? What is duration exactly that makes it not a double? Cannot convert from SI time span. Well, shoot. Give me one good reason not. No. Okay, 1 second. Let's just cheat for now. Let's just do 20. And then we'll change that later. We're testing right now anyways. If this works, I'll be the happiest person. Oh no! It's coming! It's coming. Oh Wait, no, it's coming too strong. What? Oh, wait, no, I anticipated this. I said it's gonna be negative. Also, this does not seem to be working properly. Is it working properly? Also, this should just be player.initial fog strength slash. Should literally just be x minus player.initial fog strength slash 100. Because if I want it to go for, well, 200, let's do 200. The fog is coming. The fog is coming. Oh no. Oh no, it's coming. Okay, that was pretty loud actually. What if I did like a 150? Oh no, it's coming. The fog is coming. The fog got us. This effect is weird. Let's go to a different map. Oh wait, that's kind of intimidating. Oh no, it's coming. The fog is coming. Oh no, it's coming. I just read it doesn't matter if I Actually, I don't know how to make this a lambda. That should be how to do the lambda, right? Okay, yeah, good. I was worried I'd forgotten it. Because I sometimes forget syntax when I can just look it up. Uh-oh. The fog, it's coming! Oh no. The fog. That's a pretty funny effect, I think. Wait, why is everything still blue? It changed it back. You should all not be blue. That's so weird. Why is it all still blue? Maybe it needs to be less than that. Maybe the game just can't handle that. The fog is coming. Oh no. The fog, it's coming! Okay, well now it's not strong enough. It's too weak now. We need a good in-between. Okay, I can make it, I guess 10 was the good value all along. I thought 10 wasn't gonna be a great value, but I guess it was. Because so far it's the only one I like. It gets close enough in your face after a while. The fog is coming. It seems very, like once you get under 20, it seems to start breaking. So, when does it not just completely break? Like, you see how it all becomes blue? Like, that's it clearly breaking. The fog. It's coming. The fog. I guess 10 was the best value, despite how weird it looks. Alright. And then I'll test it one more time, even though there's no point. Let me go to a different level, actually. Oh no, the fog. The fog. It's coming. The fog! Oh no, not the fog! Oh, there we go. Why do I like this so much? It's so stupid. Then again, I like stupid. The fog! Alright, I think I'm done for today, guys. We made some good progress. Let me push this to get, and I'll be on my way. Alright, thank you guys for watching, even though there's nobody here right now, and there hasn't been